We just enter to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, the place that Jesus was crucified, died, buried, and resurrected. At coronavirus time, then you can see that there are only few people in their church. You cannot travel all over the church. They close many parts of it. There are fences all around. And though there's no line, you cannot go into the tomb of Jesus anyhow. Then this is the structure of the tomb. That's where Jesus was buried and resurrected. The tomb been destroyed like a million times because of the enemies of the Christians. If someone didn't like the Christians, the best place to do is to destroy it. Then the structure that you see right now is only from the 19th century. And it was renovated lately, then it looked okay, isn't it? Let's see what we can see from the outside. The first part is the chapel of the angels, who took care that no one will steal the body of Christ. And you can see a table and a candle. The candle is from the Holy Fire, Eastern time, Orthodox and Armenian time. All the candles in the Greek Orthodox and Armenian churches are lit from that candle. And according to tradition, the table includes part of the rolling stone that was supposed to be here. The other side is the structure of the tomb itself. Actually, the sarcophagus, you can see the part of it. It looks like a table. And he was there from Friday, let's say afternoon, until Sunday morning, when Mary Magdalene tried to find what happened to Jesus. She came to here, but he wasn't there anymore. She was looking for a man with a white dress, not like that, and then he found Jesus, and the resurrection actually began. The structure of the tomb, I hope that you heard me because I'm using the facial mask. It's August 2020 and it's so empty and sad. This is the time that the tourists are here with big, long lines around it. Beautiful, isn't it?